If you're working with threaded pipes, gas fittings, or plumbing repairs, a dependable pipe wrench is a must-have. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 pipe wrenches on Amazon in 2025, models that combine superior grip, long-lasting materials, and ergonomic handling. We begin with the industry standard, the RIDGID 31015 heavy-duty 12-inch straight pipe wrench. Built from ductile cast iron and equipped with a full floating forged hook jaw, this wrench is practically indestructible. It features an I-beam handle for strength without excess weight and has self-cleaning threads to ensure smooth adjustments, even after months of tough use. The jaws bite with authority on pipes up to 2 inches in diameter, and they're fully replaceable, which extends the tool's lifespan significantly. RIDGID tools are made in the USA and have long been trusted on job sites for their reliability and performance. If you need a general-purpose wrench that will last a lifetime, this 12-inch model is an ideal starting point. For those working with larger pipes and longer leverage needs, the RIDGID 31105 Model 82-4 aluminum straight pipe wrench, 24-inch, offers a brilliant balance of size and lightweight construction. It's made of forged aluminum, about 40% lighter than steel versions, yet it retains all the strength needed to grip and turn pipes up to 3 inches wide. This wrench is a favorite among HVAC technicians and plumbers, working overhead or in crawl spaces, where fatigue can become a real concern. Despite its size, the handle is comfortable to grip, and the wide jaw capacity makes it extremely versatile for both residential and commercial application. Next, we have a highly practical solution for professionals and handymen alike, the DURATECH 3-piece aluminum pipe wrench set. This kit includes 10-inch, 14-inch, and 18-inch wrenches, giving users the flexibility to match the tool to the task. All 3 wrenches are constructed from lightweight aluminum with drop-forged, heat-treated steel jaws for exceptional grip. These jaws maintain their sharpness and alignment even after extended use. The knurled adjustment nuts make it easy to dial in the right fit, and the self-cleaning design ensures smooth operation with minimal maintenance. For users looking to outfit their toolbox with a full range of options in one affordable purchase, this set is a smart investment. The MAXPOWER 18-inch heavy-duty aluminum pipe wrench is another excellent choice for those seeking power without bulk. It features a durable aluminum body and a fixed jaw capable of clamping down on pipes up to 2.5 inches in diameter. Users love its solid feel and reliable grip, even in greasy or wet environments. It's well suited for heavy-duty plumbing work, especially when paired with longer pipes or tough fittings. What makes this model especially appealing is the value, offering professional-grade performance at a mid-range price point. If you need a workhorse wrench for larger jobs but don't want the fatigue of steel, MAXPOWER hits the sweet spot. Finally, for compact power and tight space work, the IRWIN VISE-GRIP aluminum pipe wrench offers outstanding ergonomics. Available in 10-inch and 18-inch sizes, it delivers reliable performance in a lightweight frame. The cast aluminum housing is paired with forged steel jaws that grip tightly and don't loosen with time. An I-beam handle design gives it both strength and balance, making it easier to control, even when working at awkward angles. This wrench is perfect for plumbers working in confined spaces or overhead installations where control and maneuverability are more important than brute force. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more trusted tool reviews and buying guides.